Hey guys, welcome back to HubClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to upload more than 80 photos on Facebook. But first, check our special offer in the description. Let's get started. Now, if you want to upload more than 80 photos to your Facebook account, well, there are a few things that you need to understand. Now, the thing with Facebook here is depending on what you're or how you're using it. Like for example, if you're in your mobile device or you're using the Facebook app here, well, you'll be limited to 80 photos when you're uploading something via your mobile device. Now, if you want to go past that, or if you want to upload like thousands of photos into your account, well, you need to use the web version. So either through your phone by going to facebook.com and by accessing Facebook again through your browser and not the app itself, or by going to your desktop here and just going to facebook.com and logging in. Now, typically, to upload 1000 photos, what you need to do is you want to go and just basically go to your profile here, and you want to go ahead and basically access the photo section. And in your photos, you want to go ahead and go to albums. Inside albums, you want to go and just create an album here or access one that you want to add photos on. Now, once you click on your album here, click on add to album, go and click on upload photos or videos, and go and just choose the photo that you want to upload. Now, once you've uploaded all the photos, or once you've chosen all the photos in here, you should be able to click on open here, and again, they will be uploaded into your account. Now, you might notice that you are limited to 80 photos per batch. So that's the limit as of right now. So 80 per batch, so meaning you can upload 80 photos at a time. And once 80 has been uploaded, you can still click on upload photos and videos again, and again, upload another 80 until you reach the maximum cap here, which is around thousands of photos or 1000 photos into a single album. Now, currently, you can only do this via the web version of Facebook right now. So if you're trying to use it on, or if you're trying to do this on your inside the app, well, it may be kind of hard and you might be limited. So that's why using the web version is highly recommended. And that's about it. So if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.